In this lesson, I am going to show you a magical effect in Adobe Audition. If you understand this effect, you will be a step forward towards professional-grade audio. Why this effect is magical will be clear to you in a moment. It is Speech Volume Leveler effect. Go to Effects, then Amplitude and Compression, and you will find the Speech Volume Leveler. It is designed to bring almost any recording to a balanced professional volume level. In a moment, I will show you exactly what this effect does. If you already have my Pro Loudness preset, you will notice that the Speech Volume Leveler is the very first effect used in that chain. If you do not have it yet, you can get it for free from the link in the description. Just enter your email, and I will send you the download link. Now let's see how the Speech Volume Leveler works in practice. The recording I have opened in Adobe Audition is a raw recording. I want to show how the speech volume level alone works on the audio. Let me reset the effects rack so that we see only the action of the speech leveler. I will open the Speech Volume Leveler from the Effects menu. You can see the configuration window for the speech leveler. We will see in detail how to configure this. Before that, let's listen to the original recording for a moment.
Some people claim that all aerators are created equal.
The volume level seems quite low. Let's turn on the effect and listen again to the difference.
Some people claim that all aerators are created equal. Well, we beg to differ. Ranchworks Pasture aerators are engineered with forged ranch.
As you can hear, once the Speech Volume Leveler is applied, the audio becomes noticeably louder and much more balanced. Now let's look at the settings of it to understand how it works and how we can use it. It has some pre-built presets, and I will choose the Strong as a starting point. The reason behind choosing Strong is that it will give us an idea of how to set the configuration for a strong volume leveler. A strong volume leveler means all the spoken words will be on the same level. If you use the Strong preset, you will see that the target volume is set to -18 decibels RMS. The leveling amount is 100%, and the target dynamic range is 45. Setting the target level to -18 decibels puts your audio very close to professional standards. In most professional situations, the RMS level should be between -23 decibels and -18 decibels, so using -18 decibels is a good number to start with. The leveling amount controls how strongly the effect evens out your voice. If parts of your recording are quiet and other parts are louder, this setting helps close that gap. At 100%, the gap will almost close, meaning both the louder and quieter will be at the same volume level. When set to 50% or lower, you will still get some leveling, but with more natural gap will be still there. It is recommended to have something around 50% for leveling. The target dynamic range is a bit tricky to understand. In simple words, you can think it as the difference between talking parts and noisy parts. The greater the value, the less noise in the audio. However, it internally affects the leveling. If you set it too high, then it negates the effect of leveling, and your overall audio won't be that much louder. In most cases, a value between 45 and 60 works very well. Now I will play the same audio again while adjusting a few of these settings so you can clearly hear how each change affects the sound.
Some people claim that all aerators are created equal. Well, we beg to differ. Ranchworks Pasture aerators are engineered with forged ranch tech blades designed to penetrate deeper and aerate more effectively than any other aerator on the market, with a lifetime guarantee against breakage to back it up. Weight, cutting surface, and speed set us apart. Visit ranch.com to see why ranch aerators are cut above the rest.
You may feel that the effect worked because the original audio was low in volume, but the speech leveler works on any kind of audio. Let me show it with a louder original recording. Here is the default volume of a different recording.
William Hope and the Princess. Part 1. For England, yar. Here now. Fair warning, but...
Now, after applying the volume leveler, you can hear how much more balanced and controlled the audio becomes.
William Hope and the Princess. Part 1. For England, yar. Here now, fair warning, by ways of a disclaimer. This book, well, it contains a bit of spicy language from time to time. But no such words in this here tale are meant to offend. It's just elastic uses of language. The finest English language, of course, to accentuate the fun of human interaction and expression. Bit of fun in that. There you are, now you knows. Chapter 1. A Fine Morning. 6th of November, 1587. A blaze of vivid orange ripped through the darkness where the ocean swelled against the sky.
As you can hear, the volume is now at a much better level. This effect helps bring almost any type of audio to a strong and professional listening level. It makes your sound consistent and much easier to listen to. Combining this effect with another effect, I have created the Pro Loudness preset. If you want to know how your recording sounds at an ideal and professional volume level, this preset is a great place to start. If you do not have it, join this free course and you will get it along with tutorials. The next step would be to use a preset that makes your audio truly professional. By truly professional means not only balanced audio, but also removing noise, reducing harshness, and being overall smooth to listen to. To facilitate such a goal, I have several pre-built presets which you can get from this Patreon page. You can make your audio rich and full, clear and crisp, or high quality in general. You will find all the links in the description. If you want to learn all the necessary steps to achieve high-quality audio that can win you voiceover jobs, watch the video on screen. I have laid out all the steps with detailed description. If you are watching this video from the course, you will get a link in the description.